Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hydration gear with a focus on the Gregory 3D Hydro Reservoir 2 liters. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or avid hiker, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me start by saying this. If you're in the market for the best 2-liter hydration reservoir out there, look no further than the Gregory 3D Hydro Reservoir. With its innovative design and top-notch features, it's truly in a league of its own. Let's talk about what sets this reservoir apart from the competition. First up, we have the 3D Quick Dry technology. This soft molded design not only prevents contact between top and bottom layers when hanging open but also speeds up drying time and discourages bacteria growth. Say goodbye to funky odors and hello to fresh hydration every time. But wait, there's more. The quick dry hanger integrated into the reservoir makes storage and hang drying a breeze, whether you're on or off the trail. No more awkward setups or tangled messes. Just convenience at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about stability and comfort. The anatomical fit of the Gregory 3D Hydro Reservoir is second to none. With its 3D form and full-length baffle, it distributes weight evenly and positions the water flat against your back for optimal stability. Say goodbye to bulky, cylindrical reservoirs that throw off your balance. And did I mention the spine co-molded handle? Not only does it make filling a breeze, but the co-molded base plate provides full-length support for hassle-free insertion and removal from your pack. It's the little things that make all the difference. In conclusion, the Gregory 3D Hydro Reservoir 2 liters is, without a doubt, the best option on the market for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Its innovative design, unmatched stability, and thoughtful features make it a must-have for anyone serious about staying hydrated on the trail. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, stay hydrated and happy trails.